Grab a large PVC pipe for this fun and festive Christmas yard decoration. Start by cutting a 2 to 3 foot section of the PVC pipe. This will determine how tall your candy cane is. Next, cut 3 3-inch sections from the remaining pipe. A miter saw works best, but you can also use a handsaw if that's all you have. There are only 4 cuts for this project. After all your pieces are cut, use PVC cement to glue the 3-inch connectors to the elbow pieces to make the top of the candy cane. It doesn't matter if your cuts aren't perfect or smooth, they'll be hidden. Do not connect the top to the bottom piece, as you will need to be able to reach inside. Add a coat of white spray paint, then let dry. Next, drill holes for the lights. Make sure they're spaced appropriately and that the holes are large enough for the light to come through. After your holes are drilled, wrap painter's tape around your candy cane. Add a coat of red paint and allow to dry, then remove the tape. After the paint dries, you can string your lights through the holes. A light with a round bulb is best for this. Insert the bottom piece into the flange to help hold it upright. Lastly, fill with rocks or sandbags to add weight to the base. I hope this inspired you to create beautiful PVC pipe candy canes for your front yard. See you in my next video.